Work hard and make your own money. So the only thing you need from men is love, respect, and good treatment. You don't expect many things from men when you have got your own money. But women of nowadays who are expecting many things from men when we are in relationship. You are expecting your boyfriend to buy an expensive car for you, a big house for you. Especially nowadays, people are giving pressure on social media. You see people who are doing content on social media. A man, he buy an expensive car for his wife. Other people, it's not about, it's true. It's not true. They are doing content, they are pretending, or maybe they borrow a car to someone to have content, and you have got pressure. You are saying to your boyfriend, you have to buy a car for me, or maybe you feel like you are not loved because your boyfriend doesn't buy a car for you. But when you work hard, you have got a lot of money. You don't expect many things from your boyfriend because you have got car, a house, money you have got. But the only thing you need from men now is love, respect, and good treatment only. You don't expect many things. That's why you see nowadays men, they don't marry a woman who is not successful, especially a woman who doesn't have a degree or a certificate. They know that when you marry a woman who doesn't have nothing, who have got only the only thing she is putting on the table is beauty and the good shape, the figures, everything, but she doesn't have a certificate or something, a job, to have a job. Men nowadays, they want a woman who is working hard because they know that those women who doesn't have anything, even a business, is a burden to them. That woman, she is going to demanding every time. But when you have got your own money, guys, when you are working a good job, you have got a good job. Women, they say nowadays it's not easy to have a man. Guys, when you are successful, you go to university, you are successful, you've got your good job, it's very easy to have a man. That's why you see all those successful women. There is no woman who have got a car who doesn't have a husband. When you see it, those women who are civilians, teachers, nurses, all of them, they have got men, because men now, they can see your standard. Men, when it comes, they want to marry a woman, they don't see a beauty, they see what you have. You have got a good job, the job you have that pays you money, you understand? That's men they see. They don't care about the beauty, because they know that if you marry a woman, she is beautiful, but she doesn't have anything, or a certificate, a degree, a diploma, it's a problem.